Some helpful definitions from the Joint Information Center. During the COVID-19 pandemic, you may have heard state and federal leaders use the terms directive and guidance. So what's the difference?
If you get your paper written before the deadline, it will allow time for review and revision.
This is an example of guidance or advice.
You need to turn in your paper by Friday.
This is an example of a directive or order. Limiting gatherings to 10 people or less started out as guidance in Arkansas.
And so this has been a guideline, and this will be made into a directive.
When it became clear that too many people were ignoring the guidance, it became a directive. This allows local and state government to enforce the order. Gatherings of more than 10 can be broken up under a directive, but not under a guidance. In working to limit the spread of coronavirus, Arkansas has offered its citizens both guidance and directives. Guidance has been issued on COVID-19 matters like hand hygiene, traveling, self-home quarantine, and protecting high-risk individuals. Those should be followed. Directives have been issued on school and business closures, nursing home visitation, mass gatherings, and screening at medical facilities. These must be followed. Both guidance and directives are designed to protect you and your community. The Joint Information Center is made up of public information officers from both state and local levels of government. We're working to keep Arkansans better informed about COVID-19 related matters.